Hey everyone, welcome back to How Can I Do channel. Today we're going to walk through the process of installing MAMP on your Mac. If you're into web development, MAMP is a fantastic tool to set up a local server environment. So let's dive in. Step 1. Download MAMP. To begin, head over to the official MAMP website and download the latest version. It's essential to stay up to date with the latest releases for optimal performance and security. Step 2. Install MAMP. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, usually a DMG file, and open it. Drag the MAMP folder into your Applications folder. The installation process is straightforward and doesn't take much time. Step 3. Start MAMP servers. Navigate to your Applications folder and launch the MAMP application. Within MAMP, click on the Start Servers button. This action initiates both the Apache web server and the MySQL database server. You might need to enter your administrator password during this step. Step 4. Access MAMP page. Open your preferred web browser and go to localhost. Should see the MAMP welcome page confirming that your servers are up and running.
Holy moly, moly, moly.